Where does the name for Eglwys-bach come from? So today I'm in a small village just in the centre of Conwy County called Eglwys-bach. Let's get into the name. Now, the name for Eglwys-bach is really simple. First we have Eglwys, which is from Latin ecclesia, which is then from ancient Greek ecclesia as well, and it means a church. And then we have Bach, which means small, right? Except something's not right there, because Eglwys is a feminine noun, and anyone who's been an eager listener knows that feminine nouns mutate the adjective that's attached to them. So it should be Eglwys-bach, right? And there's a lot of Eglwys-bachs around Wales, so why is this one Eglwys-bach and not Eglwys-bach? Well, I went into the historical records, and in the 1200s this place is recorded as Eglwys-bach. Eglwys-bach, the church of the small, doesn't make any sense. Well, there's another meaning for Bach, and that's hook. And hook, by extension, can also mean a nook or a corner or a sheltered place, which makes sense because Eglwys-bach is surrounded on three sides, I think, by hills. So the name literally means the church of the corner, the church of the nook. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales and some outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.